Hello, angels of the light. Hope you can hear this okay. Let's bring it closer. By a beautiful waterfall here. Just wanted to give you all an update. Got two cameras here. Here we go. See if we can do this. So I'm on day 3 of my great journey to the sacred condor, my beloved queen. I'm in this portal in Arkansas where the crystals go deep into Pachamama. I'm anchoring in the eagle and condor codes, the freedom codes, the divine union energy. So there are 3 portals in Arkansas that I was guided to anchor into along this journey. So far we're flying on the wings of the Great Spirit. All is well. Yesterday I drove about 11 hours through Kentucky, Missouri, and Arkansas. Ended up in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Now I'm in a place, Lake Catherine. I was guided here today by my guides, higher self. Sorry if this is shaky, I'm trying to hold these two. So behind me is a beautiful waterfall at Lake Catherine State Park. There's a beautiful path, a creek with many waterfalls. Oh, we have some people joining us. So I wanted to show you this beautiful waterfall and give you an update. I have to make these short because it takes forever to upload these on the phone. So I'm about a quarter way through my journey. Aho. All is well. And these energies here, and these crystal portals. One I am heading to soon, the Washita Mountains. I was in, I think it was called magnet vortex or something like that. I don't know. I'm in between worlds here. I'm sure you can feel with this great rock behind me. This powerful energy from our earth people, our inner earth people, our crystal children. My whole body's buzzing and my brain and crown. Very powerful. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me on this great journey and for your support and for your love and amazing messages. You all are amazing. The great condor just came through. Aho. So I'll be journeying to a couple more portals today, maybe into tomorrow in Arkansas. Washita Mountain, I think called Diamond Mountain. I'm kind of just going with the flow here, taking in the energies, flying on the wings of faith. And part of this journey is to hopefully inspire all of you to take that leap of faith, to go on a great adventure, to live your passion and live from your heart, and dive in. I'm going to have many funny and beautiful stories to tell when this journey's over. Hopefully I'll be able to shoot a transmission in a couple days, and hopefully you can actually hear this. This waterfall is so loud behind me. Probably should have picked a better place, but oh well, we go with it. So I'll shoot a short video at each portal I stop at and give you an update and let you feel the energy. I mean, this place is so beautiful. This country is beautiful. The people are beautiful. And I'll countries, all nations have great beauty within them. But as you travel through the country, you see the great beauty. You take that energy in and carry it with you in your heart and your soul and in your life. And as I get closer and closer to my beloved condor, my queen, the feelings within my heart grow deeper and deeper. Today I was feeling an implosion to my soul star, my heart center, heart space. We're doing the best we can here. So I'm going to show you beautiful waterfall behind me. Then we'll cut this one off for now and just let you take in the energies of this beautiful portal here at Lake Catherine. Here we go. See that beautiful turquoise water. This is a beautiful place. If you're in Arkansas, Catherine State Park, and today I got lost and ended up in this magnet something or other, magnet cove. Ended up at a dead end and spoke to an elderly woman about Washita and the vortexes and the crystals, and it's an interesting story, one I'll tell at a later date. But one of my sisters is Catherine, so I figured check this place out, and it was definitely worth the visit. Look at this little cove in there, a little secret cave. Something's living up in there. So I'll bid you all adieu on this one. Have a beautiful, blessed day. I love you all. Namaste.